The Nuwave Combi Steam Oven is a game-changer for home kitchens, offering a versatile all-in-one solution for air frying, steaming, toasting, sous vide cooking, and more. Before we dive in, make sure to check the price in the description below. This powerful 16-quart stainless steel multi-cooker uses advanced technology to give you healthier, tastier meals with minimal effort. With precise temperature control from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can fine-tune heat and steam levels for flavor-locking precision. The combo mode lets you steam and air fry at the same time, ensuring crispy exteriors and juicy interiors. Want a perfect toast? This oven uses steam for bakery fresh bread and even creates delicious desserts like crème brûlée. For health-conscious cooking, this oven uses 95% less oil, ensuring crispy textures without excess fat. Sous vide cooking melts fat without burning and enhances flavors naturally. Plus, no plastic bags or water baths are needed, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional sous vide machines. Cooking is easier than ever with 120 easy cook presets and 50 programmable memory slots, saving time and effort. With 3x faster cooking speed, your meals are ready in record time while maintaining perfect texture and moisture. The auto water control system ensures hassle-free operation, and the PFAS-free, non-toxic build makes it a safe choice for your kitchen. Whether you're looking for gourmet meals, healthier options, or faster cooking, the Nuwave Combi Steam Oven does it all. Check the price in the description below and upgrade your cooking game today.